Hello guys, welcome back to Code with Khan Developer. In the last video, we learned about HTML and HTML5 structure. Now we are going to learn important HTML media tags step by step. Today we will learn three important things. First, iframe, second, video tag, and third, audio tag. First is iframe. What is iframe? Guys, iframe stands for inline frame. It is used to display another website or external content inside your web page. In simple words, we are showing one website inside another website. Why we use iframe? We use iframe when we want to show YouTube videos, we want to show Google Maps, we want to embed external content. First, I will show you common mistake. We are using normal YouTube link inside iframe. I'm writing iframe, iframe tag. So go to Google, type YouTube, click any YouTube here, save and check. Open with live server. See guys, it is not working or showing error. This happened because YouTube does not allow normal link inside iframe. iframe only support embed link. Fix correct method. Now let me fix this problem. We will convert the link into embed format. Just replace watch V in embed with embed. Embed. Save, refresh page and check. Now it is working perfectly. So guys, always remember normal link does not work. Embed link always work. Guys, now we clearly understand what iframe is and how it works. Now let's move to the next topic is audio tag. Guys, audio tag is used to add sound or music in our website. It allows us to play audio file like MP3 inside a web page. In simple word, if video tag is for video, audio tag is for sound. We use audio tag when we want background music, we want voice recording, we want sound effect in website. Now let's do practical and see how it's work. I, I already have the audio in my project folder, so I will use it directly here. If you don't have the file, don't worry, just download it and put inside folder. Then we will use it for practice. Audio tag. SRC, right here path, folder, save and refresh browser and see if audio is not playing. Check this thing. File name is correct. File is in same folder. Format is MP3 or supported format. So now we clearly understand what audio tag and how it works. Now let's move to the next topic is video tag. First understand what is video tag. Video tag is used to add a video file directly into our website. This video file is stored inside our project folder. In simple words, we are using our own video file, not YouTube. We use video tag when we want to play our own video. We don't want external platforms like YouTube. We want full control over video. The most important attribute is controls. This adds play, pause, volume button. Now let's do practical. I have already video saved in my folder. Type video tag and add src folder path. Folder video mp4. Save. One thing is I'm not type here controls. Control is important. Save and refresh and check. If video is not playing, check file name is correct, file is in same folder, format is MP4 recommended. So today we learn video tag is used for local videos, control, add, play, pause buttons. Video must be stored in project folder. So guys, we have completed today's topic. Today we learn how to use media in HTML like iframe, video tag and audio tag. Now I will give you small task. Your task is practice all three tags by yourself. Iframe, video tag and audio tag. Try to create your own small page using these tags because practice is very important in HTML. If you don't have video or audio file, don't worry, just download them and keep them in your project folder and then try it again. Keep practice again and again because only practice will make you perfect in coding. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.